In this given expression, 9 plus 3 times 3 divided by 3, a lot of students got this particular question wrong. Now, what did they do? They added these two together. 9 plus 3 equals 12 times 3 divided by 3. Okay. Now, from here, 12 times 3 equals 36 divided by 3. And 36 divided by 3 equals 12. Okay, 12. But this is totally wrong, because according to the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, okay, our question is 9 plus 3 times 3 divided by 3. Okay, now according to the order of operation, which is PEMDAS, P, E, M, and D, A, S. Okay, where P is parenthesis, E is exponent, M and D is multiplication and division. Okay, and these two have the same priority. Whenever you find both of them in a particular expression, you have to solve from the left to the right. And this is addition and this is subtraction, and the same thing is applicable here. So looking at our expression here, we have addition and we have multiplication. And according to the order of operation, multiplication is of higher priority to addition. So we have to multiply first before adding. So we have 9 plus 3 times 3 equals 9. And we'll divide everything by 3. 9 plus 9 will be equal to 18 divided by 3. And 18 divided by 3 equals 6 as the right answer. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.